Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. I know it's been a little while since I have posted a video, but you know, everyone's recovering from the holidays, and I did put a few subscriptions on hold for December so that I would have more cash to buy Christmas presents. But I will slowly be getting more boxes as January moves forward. So today I not only have styled my hair differently, what do you think? Usually I have it like down in front of my forehead, but this time I kind of put it up and back. Let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. But let's get to what we're here for, and that is the subscription box, which is Simple Loose Leaf Tea, and the dogs are playing behind me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Simple Loose Leaf Tea is a tea company run by a couple of brothers, and they hand pick teas and put them together in these boxes. Now, they have a couple of plans available on Cratejoy, which is where I sign up. Great company to work with. Though, have any of you been having trouble on Cratejoy this week? Because I haven't been able to renew anything. It keeps saying that my address isn't valid and my card it doesn't even exist. It's like, wait a minute. Let me know if you're having the same kind of troubles that I am. So again, on Cratejoy, this one has a couple of plans available. They have a 2-pack, a 3-pack, and a 4-pack of teas each month. I have the 2-pack, and that is $13.58 per month, and I pay for 3 months ahead of time, and the price of each box goes down if you prepay for 3, 6, 9, 12 months. So all in for a 3-month plan, mine is $52.97. So let's see what they sent me this month. That's what it looks like when you open it. They always have a card of some sort on top. It's different every time. Tea time for the New Year win. And there is the picture. They always have very pretty pictures. And this time it's the Loose Leaf Tea, or Simple Loose Leaf 2022 Tea Time Resolutions. Write down your tea time resolutions, then mark them off as you complete them. Are you a New Year's resolution kind of person? I'm really not, because I don't want to set myself up for failure. Okay, the first tea I am pulling out is green apple. It's from China. It is caffeinated. It gives you the little instructions, and the ingredients are green tea, apple pieces, and apple flavor. So I'm going to read about this one. It is a sweet, bright, and a touch of sour is how this tea will introduce itself when you open it for the first time. When drinking this tea, look for the higher sweet notes but darker notes that come from the green tea base. This is an easy to enjoy simple green tea with a splash of apple added in. If you want to spice it up with a bit more, you can add a few slices of green apple to this tea, or you can, if of the appropriate legal age, add a bit of apple brandy for a slightly different take on tea time. That does sound good, doesn't it? A little hot toddy action. And then the next one is from India. It is caffeinated. It is a Darjeeling black tea. It is Namring Estate Darjeeling. Now, I might be pronouncing some of these things wrong, and I do apologize, but here we go. Darjeeling tea is a tea from the Darjeeling district in West Bengal, India, and is produced in black, green, white, and oolong tea varieties. Our Namring Estate Darjeeling is a black variant that will brew a bold cup of tea. When brewing this tea, it says Lou. Right there, it says Lou, but I think it's supposed to be look. Okay, so when brewing this tea, look for a slight spiciness, sometimes described as muscatel. Darjeeling teas are unique in India, and they are produced from a Chinese tea plant that yields a smaller leaf when compared to the well-known Assam teas of India. Name ring tea will work well on its own, but don't hesitate to drink it in the English fashion with some milk and cookies. So that sounds good too. Now, another thing that I noticed about the box is normally they send reusable tea bags if you don't have an infuser. Now, this is the second month that I have not received any of those tea bags, which is fine because I'm set. I don't need those. But I'm wondering if it's a supply chain issue. You know, it's stuck out on a boat somewhere out off the coast of California. So that's what I'm guessing might be the problem. But usually they include the 3 bags of reusable tea bags. Now, I made a cup of the green apple tea. Here it is with my little infuser. Isn't that cute? Okay. It has a very light scent. It smells like a green tea. I am from Chicago area originally, and I now live in Oklahoma. I never would have thought that, but so I brought my Chicago cup with me. To me, this tastes more like a green tea. I don't get much green apple flavor. I would have liked that, actually, a lot of green apple flavor. That would have been a nice change to your standard tea flavors. I'm really getting into the fruit flavored teas, but this is good. I mean, I am not complaining. It is a good cup of tea. I just wish it was more appley. Well, I am very glad that you came by today. Keep in mind, I'm getting back on my feet with subscription boxes this month. I had some priorities. I am glad you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.